Welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem faced by many C++ developers. The problem at hand involves wanting to extract a range of elements from a std vector myClass and store them as const references for read-only purposes. This can be a common need when working with large datasets and wanting to prevent accidental modifications to the data. Now let's dive into the solution. The best approach would be to use SimpleSpan, a feature available in C++ 20. However, if you're working with C++ 17 or lower, you can create a SimpleSpan class to achieve the same functionality. This SimpleSpan class acts as a SimpleSpan-like container and allows you to work with a range of elements from a vector as const references. It provides methods like operator, begin, end, and size to facilitate easy access to the data. Continuing with the solution, once you have defined the SimpleSpan class, you can use it to obtain const references to a range of elements from a vector. By specifying the start and end indices of the desired range, you can create a SimpleSpan const myClass object, which will give you const references to the elements within that range. This way, you can safely read the data without the risk of unintentional modifications. In summary, by implementing the SimpleSpan class, you can effectively extract a range of elements from a vector and work with them as const references. This approach ensures data integrity while still allowing you to access and read the information you need. I hope you found the solution helpful for your C++ programming endeavors. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. Remember, happy coding, and may your bugs be few and your code be efficient.